Got that bolt loosened. And all this black. God damn. Milk chocolate. I had to let it waste on the fairing, but oh well. I wasn't about to take that whole fairing off. So I'm gonna let the bike down and level it out a little bit so the rest of all the oil can come out. Get ready for the full synthetic motorcycle oil come up recording. Supposed to be the shit snitch. Here's my Wix oil filter and my highlights that I already drank. And my barbecue pit that's going on. And we got crawfish. And we got kids. Let's see. Got the crawfish ready, with the apples in there, the onions and all the potatoes and stuff. Almost ready for the wood chips. Yes, sir. I know it's a lot going on, but oh well. Gotta take this cap off. Let the rest of that oil come out. I think I need a pair of pliers. That sucker is tight. Are you fucking serious? Get a pair of pliers for that. Yes.
He's doing that.
What did he do?
Look.
What?
He's doing that.
He's doing what? He's messing with your bike?
Yeah.
Oh, he cool. Ooh, shucks. Yeah. Okay. Oh, shit.
Papa, I want you to go over there. I don't want you to go by the fire, okay?
Yeah, come over here, Papa. Come over here. Watch the pit. Don't run into the pit. Alrighty. Put your bike here in the making. Alright, anyway, I'm gonna cut this video short. What? Cut this video short. No, I'm doing a video. You said it. I'm gonna cut this video short and how old are you?
18.
No, you can't have another drink.
But Green gave on here, ain't it? Their first beer 18.
No, I'm not doing it. Not doing it, Grand. I'm not a part of it.
Hey, that's your show. This is not my house.
Whatever. You finna have CPS come get me. Alright, I'm gonna end this video. I'm going to put the oil in. I'll do a run, a third video, I guess. Once I get the oil in, the filter, and everything done, I'll run it for a while. Probably I get 2 quarts and a half. Then I'll put the other quarter of it in after I check the oil level. Alright, 2002 Yamaha R6. I'm out.